Hi there, welcome to Voice of Reality. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification button so that you don't miss any upload. While we are still out here mourning the death of Mahlela Ntabeni, still trying to accept the news as it was that she is no more, here comes some story again that she is still very much alive, and it's very sad. Like, it is really sad to witness something like this, that people can go to such measure of informing everyone that this person is normal, and then come back again to retrieve the news ukuthi nope, she is still alive. Like, how can you say something like that? How can you say someone is normal while they are still very much alive? It's very sad what this world of today has turned into. If there is anyone out here who's going through hell and back, is Mahlela Ntabeni, guys, because I feel like a lot is going on, man. A lot is going on around her, because to a point of people saying that she is normal. But yes, it has been said what she did try to take her own life, but fortunately it didn't happen because they rushed her to the hospital. That's when the family actually thought that she have succeeded. That's when they released the news. But how is that possible? How is that possible? There's so many questions here. How is that possible that the family will not know that the person is still alive and then run to inform everyone she is normal? Like, it doesn't make any sense. But we are just glad, we're just so happy that she is alive and she is doing well. And there's so many things going on with this modular thing thingy, or there are medical bills that have been not paid. And yo, guys, that's what I'm saying. If there is anyone going through hell and back out there, it's this lady, guys. And I hope she heal, man. She heal from whatever that is hindering her.